Welcome to our Teamsters Local 631 Dispatch Program tutorials. These instructions will only work if you are registered with Teamsters Local 631. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to use our new Call In Out tool. We've built this tool to create unrefutable evidence when our members are met with unexpected circumstances, resulting in their need to call out from their scheduled assignment, and once they're ready, call in to be provided with their next available assignment. Please note, not all employers have adopted this process. Employers who are adopting this process will place the link to the Call In Out tool on the bottom of their dispatches. However, our contract does not specify any Call In Out process. Therefore, utilizing this tool will provide you and your business agents with time and dated logs, as well as verifiable electronic emails to enforce your contractual rights. The system will send employers emails to their labor coordinators for both the call out from work and the call in for your next available assignment. When processing grievances, it is crucial for the union to have evidence to support their position and to be able to refute the employer's information as presented. Once we go live, you will access the Call In Out tool by selecting the Scheduled tab. You will then see and select the Call In Out box. As the page refreshes, you will see instructional information. To update your work availability, if you are temporarily unable to report to work due to illness, emergency, or another valid reason, you must use this system to notify your employer that you are unavailable for your next shift or scheduled assignment. To notify your employer that you will be absent, first, you will enter your reason in the comments text field. A comment is required. Second, you'll check the Place Me on the Absent List box. And third, you'll press the Mark Me Absent Now big blue button. These actions will time and date stamp your unavailability for shifts or work assignments. Important notice: to be eligible for consideration should a shift become available, please ensure your availability is updated by 12 p.m. noon the day prior. Failure to update your status by the deadline may result in not being scheduled. First, we will enter our comment into the comment section. Second, we will select the Place Me on the Absent List box. And third, we will click on the Mark Me Absent Now big blue button. When the page refreshes, you will see a check mark and Success Absent Status Has Been Turned On message. At the bottom of the page, you will see a red You Are Currently Marked as Absent message, as well as a big red box with your record ID number, your current status, and the absent at time date stamp, along with the comment you placed into the box. To notify your employer that you're ready to return to work, you will first check the Remove Me from the Absent List box. Second, you will press the Remove Me from the Absent List big blue button. These actions are time and date stamped and required to reinstate your eligibility for scheduling. Important notice: to be eligible for consideration should a shift become available, please ensure your availability is updated by 12 noon the day prior. Failure to update your status by the deadline may result in not being scheduled. So first, we're going to check the Remove Me from the Absent List box. And second, we're going to press the Remove Me from the Absent List big blue button. As the page refreshes, you will once again see a green check mark with a Success Absent Status Has Been Canceled message. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see that all of the red indicators are now gone, and you will see a green message that says you are not on the absent list. You have now successfully learned how to utilize the union's new Call In Out tool. My name is James Harmer, and I approve this message.